Yeah. Hi guys. Today with us we have Deeksha and Shubh, two of my very good friends at Open House. So today we're going to discuss about our experience at Open House, how we met, and all the entrepreneurship club experiences. Okay, so the first time I heard about Open House was through this program, which is Student Ambassador Program. I enrolled to it and got selected and stuff, got a acceptance letter like Harry Potter stuff, and then got enrolled to it in May and I finished it in May. How did you guys hear? Sure. Oh, wasn't it like too much work because three clubs is like. Diksha?
Even I knew Open House through the Student Ambassador program. So one of my close friends told me about it and her experience. So that's how I knew the Open House. Um, yeah, that's how I knew Open House. And actually, my partner in the Student Ambassador program also was going to like enroll in the entrepreneurship club, and that's how even I got interested. Yeah.
Yeah, so entrepreneurship club for me was like really amazing. So many learning experiences, so many weekly challenges where we made presentations and we presented to amazing people, got feedback. And then finally we had this pitch fest and marketing challenge, which were like really amazing. This whole journey to look back at was amazing for me, at least the entrepreneurship club. What do you guys think? Sure. Diksha?
Oh, okay. Sorry. So, I think for me, again, the entrepreneurship club was a great experience. So, I met a lot of great mentors who I wouldn't have got a chance. I mean, for example, Laurel, Andre, no chance I would have had to, communicate with them at such a young age. And Tanya, Abhivyakti who went to Harvard, and Tanya who has so much experience to startups and so on, Nakul, of course. And in spite of that, I got to meet a lot of new friends, great, people who I would want to keep in touch with, like you both. And yeah, kind of like that. And most importantly, the experience and the things I learned. Like now, if you ask me to make a pitch, I'll be able to do it. Yeah.
Yeah, so we met so many amazing people like internationally also, like Andre and Laurel. We learned so much from them. And then we even met some founders like Sambhav, Fampay founder. And then we were mentored by so many people like Diksha, Alok, Mitikash, Tanya, Avivyakti, Nakul, so many people. So yeah.
And that Diksha is not me, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, it was Diksha
Only people
Mittal.
get confused.
Yeah. What was the best part about weekly challenges if you guys participated in any of them? Yeah, sure. Yeah, of course. Diksha?
For me, weekly challenges got like I just had an opportunity to learn more through like experience. So I truly believe in that. Whatever you study, you have to implement. Otherwise, there's no use of it. I mean, I can study two, three books, but without implementing it, I'll forget it in 1 week. yeah, so implementation is very important. And I think it's two different experiences when you do it as an individual and as a team. Because when I did it with Madhur, like what all the weekly challenges and so on, we had to like stay up night. We used to have Zoom calls, we used to chat, we used to, the experience was a lot of fun. And also so many memories. I remember, texting her at 1 o'clock in the night, and we were working on a presentation for the tribe. But yeah, on a totally different note, yeah, doing it in pair is so much different from doing it individually. But in
Absolutely.
both cases, you learn a lot. Yeah.
I think other than experience and all the learning curve and things, the networking part of it was like amazing. Like we networked with so many people of our age who are like really passionate about entrepreneurship. We wouldn't have like met them at all if not for open house. Like you both, like Puneet or any other mother, Priyal and all of them. What do you think? Sure.
I agree actually. The like yeah, even my friend circle actually increased proportionately. I got to know Diksha, I got to know even Dhruti. Then I met Karan, one of my partners in this new cry. Then like Puneet, yeah, when I connected with Puneet, and there were more people. I cannot recall all the names right now, but yeah,
Yeah.
the networking part was actually really awesome. Yeah.
Diksha?
Yeah, as I said, networking very great. So I got a chance to interact with all these people. And speaking of weekly challenges, it's not always that both the people, like both the members have the same perspective. For example, I guess both of you know about the family challenge, right? So
Yeah.
like Madhur and I had different like ideas. So our job was to make it one. So like basically, take the best out of both our ideas, and it worked out very beautifully with the help of L'Oreal and Audrey. So yeah, and networking was a great part of it.
Yeah, absolutely. I participated in almost all of the challenges alone. Especially the big challenges, because I couldn't get a partner. I got a partner who didn't even contribute anything, so that was weird. But otherwise, and conducting quizzes, conducting challenges like tag it along and all of that stuff was really amazing for me. We were like the first, first members of the tribe, and then we get to do so many experiments. We get to ask people questions, like 20 questions with Laurel and Andre. We get to like conduct quizzes, conduct seminars, which I did with many people. So I think it was a great experience for me at least.
And I have to say something, I'm sure Shubh would agree with me, that even though without any help, doing it alone, you did a fantastic job and you were able to pull it all together, and you had so many other things also to balance. I don't know how you did it, but great job.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would agree. And I was not jealous. Like when you got to like ask Laurel and Andrew questions, I was like, shit, even I wanted that.
Yeah, Jyoti and I partnered with that. It was such a great experience, and we all both did like 10 questions from each type.
Yeah.
And like the name Emoji Girl, that's where I got that name. So
Yeah.
that's a
Yeah, you were like, if you agree with me, put down your favorite emoji. If you like this, then put down a favorite food emoji, animal emoji, and whatnot emoji. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it was
Sorry.
super fun.
No, I just wanted to say I was really jealous that day. I was like, if if only if even I was a captain, I could have got that opportunity to ask them personal questions and everything.
Probably you'll have different set of people, different amazing, because we have OH talks now, right? With all people internationally from Australia, New Zealand, and all of those people. So probably you'll get more opportunities than we did. We were just like guinea pigs experimentation on us, but it was all fun. Yeah. So what was that one best memory of open house which you will cherish forever and ever? Like except the 2 a.m. talks. Anybody show these
I would go with Pitch Fest.
pitch fest.
Like
The
I've never
CSR
had.
one.
Sorry.
The CSR one, which we did.
Yeah. I do not like to work in a group. So it was really great. Like we do not know each other and we all are still working on something. And at the same time, like the ability to manage our time so that we can contribute it towards it. Then editing it again and again to make it more better. Then yeah, the ability to connect. Like it was difficult with everyone first because everyone had a perspective. Okay, how are you going to approach to this problem? So the ability to reach a common ground and solve it was also something great. And I think in the execution part, 5 people. So who's going to speak? Who's going to speak what? How are we going
Hmm.
to answer the questions? That was a beautiful experience, I would say.
And even the time
I
limit, like three
yeah,
minutes.
actually nailed on it. Like all other like teams were taking more than required time. We actually nailed it. It was actually like I don't know. I mean, I do not have anxiety attack now. That was the last guy I had an anxiety attack.
Yeah, I completely agree with you. So CSR was such an amazing experience. 5 of us who don't even know each other, and I absolutely had no interaction with Karan, and I just knew Karan as the guy who asked too many questions.
He was the guy who asked too many questions.
Yeah, so that's how I knew Karan and Shubh and Kushagra, I didn't know at all. So yeah, it was amazing how we coordinated and did things. And the final input, like the story of Mukesh Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, was amazing. Like how we got it from square one to square amazing was amazing.
Yeah.
Actually, if we remember, it started with a small conversation, daily dose conversation, where you were like, "What are your thoughts on reopening school?" And then we went on to do a presentation on that.
Exactly, I remember. Diksha and I just asked the question, and Dhruti was like, "We can give them tablets." I was like, "No, that won't happen." Then she's like, "Okay, we can set up projectors." I'm like, "Okay, yes, then that we can happen." Okay, how we are going to finance it? That was actually really sweet.
Yeah, I did not know what CSR was, so I was like, how do we do this? And Shubh was like, CSR, I was like, whoa, we have to do this. And yeah, and to add on, that was the first daily dose that I did, so I was super scared because I have seen like people put daily dose and no one replies for some 3-4 hours. So
Yeah.
I did not want that to happen with me. So yeah, I made my time members to like reply at least once. So if the flow is going. So yeah, my first daily dose, it was amazing to get the CSR project.
Yeah. And your quizzes, man, your doodle quizzes and all of that quizzes, and then even your logo making quiz and all of that was like mind blowing. It was like next level creativity. And then you guys even like came first, right, on the tribe. So that was like amazing. We always tried to compete with you, and then we came second, anyways. But you had like amazing set of talents.
No, I actually wouldn't agree with that. I mean, even though like we came first, what you guys did was amazing. Like Dhruti would always do something or the other. Like every 1-2 days, you would put like in that quizzes. I'm not sure which website, but you used to do everything you could. So that's amazing. Yeah, I realize I've said amazing a lot with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to put a daily discussion. Like for 26 days, we had a discussion. Like from like if A, B, C, like we have 26 companies from each letter, and we used to discuss that. That was actually awesome.
Yeah, A to Z's of tech. We discussed about everything from spice to building to technology to everything, but it was still called A to Z of tech. And then we had some five seminars from really amazing people, like CEOs and stuff. Even that was like really amazing, like like interacting with them, calling them over, and then looking at people not asking any questions to them. So creating one more segment myself, like rapid fire, and being called Karan Johar. It was all great. How was your experience like going through all of this show, like being a tribe member?
It was a like I would say it was a curve like this. At start I was scared, but then with every week my confidence grew in myself. Like okay, I can do this. Okay, I can do this. Okay, I can do this. In fact, it actually helped me. The first team up that we did, I was
Hmm.
actually scared. I guess I told him multiple times. Okay, I'm scared. scared. But as I like, as I tried, I guess, yeah, I grew a lot.
Yeah,
Even
and we
especially
won
if
in
I was,
that first team up we did. We won the
yeah,
first prize.
yes, we came first. It was actually great. I felt great. Okay. I actually wrote a message if you remember that day. Like,
Yeah, you
yeah,
messaged everyone that you were like really scared and stuff.
yeah.
So, what is that one learning from open house that you will cherish for a lifetime? Like, if there's one learning, like whatever it may be.
Um, slow and steady wins, or I don't know. Like, let me think about something. I'll get back to you. Like, that's why you can answer first.
For me, I think it would be self-esteem. If you noticed, I'm sure Dhruti, I don't know if you, but yeah, for me, like in the very first session of open house, I did a weekly
Apple.
challenge with Wednesday. So that was actually I did about Surf Excel. So I just wrote as a
Ah,
child in everything. So I was like, I'll join if I like it, I'll continue. And I came first that time, and it just boosted my confidence. And you can't believe I shouted after knowing the results. My mom and dad were like, "What happened?" So yeah, so that is there. So it just boosted my confidence and my self-esteem. So I think that's always something that I will cherish from open house. And yeah, especially during the lockdown, COVID-19 pandemic, it just gave me a huge opportunity to meet many people and just make the best out of this pandemic. Like not only getting the certificates, that's not what matters at the end of the day, but what you learn. So yeah, I guess that's something that I cherish.
Okay, nice answer. I would say, like, always keep walking, like, walking in like life. Never stop. So, like, even I tried, like, to, from that questions and answer. So that was actually learning curve. Like, okay, I took one step at a time. Okay, switch on your camera. Okay, you have to speak. Okay, you have to answer. Okay, you have to take responsibilities for your actions. So open house actually helped me. Like, if like the 6 week journey was actually really smooth. I was able to grow. It was not like all I have to take all these steps in one day, or I can like walk really slowly. It was something like okay, it was quick, and I will cherish it. Yeah.
yeah. Anything else you guys think about open house, which I missed out? I may have. I missed out a lot of stuff. I have a trash memory. So if you guys have anything you want to tell, which I missed out, you can. You can even praise me for being the best drive captain, which I was.
No
Okay.
comment at all for sure.
Yeah. I would say every drive captain is great. Like I actually have been in even Puneet's drive, your drive. Then I saw Diksha, so I actually enjoyed everyone. Like everyone had a vision, and everyone was trying to make make their tribe members work, which was actually great. Like giving them time, helping them throughout the journey. Dhruti helped me. Diksha, I remember, like the first interaction with like I had with her, I got to know okay, she is a captain because the way she was like answering the questions and at the same time discussing
Yeah,
that tone
Deeksha
was
is
actually
very warm and she's like really
yeah,
amazing. She gives a very good positive vibe, and that's
exactly,
what has made us good friends.
yeah. Then
Thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are being too sweet.
No, really, yeah. Like, seriously, you give out a very warm vibe, very good vibe. So, it's really nice. Even Shubh, actually, Shubh, like, first time I met Shubh or like interacted with him, I was like, this kid is like amazing, very intellectual, knows about every startup on earth, knows everything that I don't know. I don't know from like I thought you were actually copying from Google, and then I was like, no, you Google yourself. So never mind.
no, I do not like to Google. Even I tell everyone, okay, please do not Google. Even when we started like my own tribe, one of the things that I was like, okay, ask as many questions as you want, but do not Google it. That was something even I wanted because I hate Google. Like, okay, if anyone can say, even the daily doses that we post, I have seen people literally copy the content from Google, screenshots, and every other app. So that is something I do not personally like. So yeah,
Yeah, absolutely.
We should like leave the last segment each other.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Actually, open house made a very nice, like warm, cozy feeling between everyone. That's why we all are complimenting each other because we all actually enjoyed the experience. I would
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. And like the advice that we received from our mentors, like I had different mentors at different stages of open house journey. So first like the Student Ambassador mentor, and then Abhivyakti, and then Nakul and Tanya. And it kept going and going. But one thing remained constant, that I had that one support. Like suppose in a weekly challenge, I would not know what to do. I would just text, someone and ask, what do I do? And they would help like immediately. So that's really good. And though like people who work for open house are really amazing.
They're very sweet, very open. You ask them anything, they'll answer. They're not like, wait, what are you asking? They're not like that. They're like, you ask them anything, they're like, yeah, this is how it is. And
actually like even I got to interact with a lot many like people from open house and they were really sweet.
hmm.
Always answered, okay, you want this, okay, yeah, then this happened, telling us the stories that we want to know, telling us, teaching us stuff that we want to know. So yeah, that was actually great.
Okay, guys, thank you for doing this for me. This was really fun. Actually, got to know stuff which I didn't know otherwise. So, thank you.
No, thank you. It just brought back all the memories. Like I haven't been in touch with the entrepreneurship club for a while, and it brought back memories, nostalgia.
I would say the same, like we got to cherish the memories again, feel those of everything. Okay, memories. That was actually nice. Any last
Yeah.
questions?
Okay. And what was your best memory of open house, Diti? Entrepreneurship club?
Meeting all of you guys, really. I've always been this person who never talks to people. I'm very low on interacting because I think my vocabulary is low. But yeah. But through open house, I actually connected with a lot of people. I learned a lot. Yeah, that is more important, I guess, because I learned a lot about different companies, and my presentation skills have improved a lot. I learned to use SlideGo.
Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, Dhruti, just first of all, her presentation was very good, and each weekly challenge it became like more good and like fantastic. Yeah. And I think we all agree that self-esteem is one thing that we all, took back from open house. For you, should be still taking it, but I think for Dhruti and I, oh my god, I feel like we're old, like, Buddha people.
Yeah, we're talking.
That's not a nice compliment that you're giving to yourself and Shruti.
Yeah.
We are like your generation is still yet to learn. We've learned a lot. You have a long path to go.
I'm actually enjoying like this leadership thing, okay, like how to manage the pressure from the above, like open house, and how to at the same time make sure my tribe members participate. So that's a nice thing that I'm learning.
Thanks.
And I don't want to be called a Buddha. I hope this doesn't happen. Once I like
Yeah, enjoy that in dance. I mean, after time captain, it's just a different thing that happens.
Yeah, actually. Even now I feel really weird. I feel a void. Like I don't text every morning. I don't make any posts. I don't make any presentation. It feels really weird. So I'm doing this to fill the void. Yeah.
So before we end, tell us a little about your YouTube channel.
My
yeah.
YouTube channel, I have like 3 to 4 small videos on it, which I did to promote my blog, which I started in Jan. So this Jan, on 1 year anniversary of my blog, I want to start blogs, which is this. So yeah, that is what it is. And then in Jan especially, I want to like post 20 videos, which is going to talk about 20 experiences in 2020. So 20 in 2020, like open house, girl up, then launching my own blog and like successfully failing at it. Then do like failing at MUN, which I did. I left MUN after I did open house Model United Nations, and then trying out community service and all of that stuff. So yeah, I'm trying to like compile everything.
That's awesome. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank
May
you.
you get a lot of followers. I don't know anything about being a
YouTube.
YouTuber, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying
I'll
stuff.
definitely subscribe. I'll make my friends subscribe.
Yeah.
All the best for your 20 videos. I hope, like, yeah, you are able to compile all of it. And yeah, do send us the link. Like,
Yeah,
yeah, so that we
sure,
can
I
watch
will.
it.
I will for sure.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this is going to be part of the video, but go subscribe to it. And I just wanted to say that. Go subscribe to it. But I just wanted to hit the like button and the bell icon.
Yeah, thank you guys. I would not do that, but yeah.